नारायणं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालि कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी तत्त्ववत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma. Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sataswad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sataswad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sataswad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Srila Bhakti Rakhasidhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vaibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhaktivinoda Puri Goswami Maharaj, and Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and Vaishnava missionaries, and presented all of my respectful guests. So today, according our Indian calendar, also Vedic culture, today is called also Amavasya, and tomorrow would we start our Purushottam Vrat. So there are so many names of Purushottam Vrat. They are called Adhik Mas, Mal Mas, then Purushottam Mas. In this way, in our Indian tradition, there are many names about this month. That is called Purushottam month. And or Adhik Mas, maybe will be discussed also. And this because in this month, Smarta Brahmanas, they can to collect any money. And for this regard, they are saying this month is called Mal Mas. Mal means is what? Dust, money, useless. Because in this month, according to the Smarta philosophy, they cannot perform marriage ceremony and Griha Pravesh or many kinds of auspicious they cannot do. For this regard, they cannot earn any money. For this regard, they are saying this month is called Malmas, meaning useless. But in our Vaishnav philosophy, this month is very topmost month. Very super excellent, auspicious month. Actually, just in different Puranas also explain how this Malmas manifests. So once Brahmaji, just he was what is called rubbing his two hands, and then some dust coming from his hands and throwing, and then one person manifests and crying, Brahmaji, tell to me what is my name. Again and again he cried. Then Brahmaji told, oh, you have come from my hands. This is the dust, mal. So for this regard, and gave his name Mal Mas. Mal means dust. And there are many things also. Even in India, Mal means completely what? Dust, useless. So when Brahmaji gave his name Malmas, then everybody also laughed and joked him. Oh, you are useless and you are mal. These things. And that time he became very upset, and he also came to in front of Brahma, Lord Nara, met with Narad Rishi. And Narad Rishi brought him and Malmas, come with me in Vaikuntha and we will meet with Lord Vishnu Narayan. And when he was crying and crying, that time Lord Vishnu asked, hey, who are you? Why are you crying? That time he told all these things. Oh, Brahmaji, he gave me malmas, money. I'm completely useless and full of dust. And everybody also disrespect to me. No one respect to me. So what will do? So I'm very upset. That time Lord Vishnu when heard this, then Lord Vishnu's heart completely what? Melted. Then Lord Vishnu told, don't worry. Eh? You will be the best month of all the months. Eh? And everybody worshipped you as like me. So now I am giving my name to you. And Lord Vishnu told, my name is called Purushottam. And Purushottam. So now I am giving my own name to you. Everybody call you Purushottam Mas. Purusha Uttama Purushottam. Purush means great person. Uttam means the highest. And with the super excellent person. And that in our Shastra, three Purushas, Karanduksai, Garvuduksai, and Kruduksai. And three Purushas. Among the three Purushas, Krishna is the supreme. And actual Krishna's name is called Purusha Uttama Purushottama. And when everybody, then when Lord gave his name Purushottam, then everybody also respect to him. And so every 3 years and 2 years, I think, 9 or 10 months, and then this Purushottam months are coming. And so, and Lord also told to him, "Hey Purushottam Mas," and everybody worships you. And for this regard, his name is called Purushottam Mas. And also, in our Vaishnava tradition, 2 months are very important. One is called Purushottam month and Kartik month, the month of Kartik, and that is called very important also. And so, and if you observe Kartik month, every year Kartik month is coming, but every, I think, 2 and 8 or 9 months after Purushottam months are coming. So our scriptures explain the Kartik month Udhishthati Devata, the presiding deities of Kartik, that is called Srimati Radhika herself. So for this regard, Kartikeshwari, eh? Niyam Mas, Niyam Mas also saying this way. So Purushottam Mas Udhishthati Devata, the presiding deities of Purushottam, that is called Krishna himself. And so in our Indian Vedic culture, 2 months are very important. One is Kartik Mas and another Purushottam Mas. And if you observe Kartik Mas, there are many names also Kartik Mas. Maybe later we will glorify about month of Kartik. And Kartik month. And Srimati Radhika herself. And if you observe Kartik month, then Krishna will be pleased. Or if you observe Purushottam months, then Krishna will be pleased. So that means our Vaishnava philosophy in this way explain how will give exclusive pleasure to divine couple Radha and Krishna. And Radhika Krishna नाम गाने भाई पाए Radhika name bhai pai Krishna Chandra. And if you glorify to Srimati Radhika, Krishna is very happy. Or if you glorify to Krishna, then Srimati Radhika should be happy. So our Vaishnava Acharya explained in this way. Radhika Radha Name Gane Krishna Chandra. If you chant Radha Nam, Krishna will be very easy to chasing behind to you. Or if you chant Krishna Nam, then also Radha ji is very happy. So in our these 2 months are very important. Purushottam month and Kartik month or Niyam Seva month. And this also explained in this way. And so Gurudev also always glorifies in the month of Kartik. In the month of Kartik, and you have to recited many stab stutis, especially Radha stab stuti, Damodar Ashtakam, and you have to this and Manandra Binda Bandite Tilakaso Kaharini, Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunja Bhuvilasini, Brajendra Bhanu Nandini, Brajendra Sunu Sangate, Kada Kari Shasiyamang Kripakataksha Bhajanam. Or in the same Purushottam month, he also glorified to Krishna. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande, Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande, Manamana Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande, Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande, मनमानस मधुकर मर्पय निज पद पंकज मकरंदे कृष्ण देव भवन्तं वंदे and also glorify नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं सुचारुवक्त्रपुङ्गं सुकण्डनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं. So in this month of Kartik and Purushottam, glorified to divine called Radha and Krishna. Then Krishna and Srimati Radhika, she would be very pleased. And our Bhaktivinoda Thakur, different kirtanas, and you have to sing, and especially many stabs, stutis, also Vrindavan, Ashtakam, and what is called Giriraj Govardhan Ashtakam, and many also. But especially in month of Kartik, that time you have to every day to recite Damodar Ashtakam. But in Purushottam month, you may also to recite Damodar Ashtakam, no harm, no problem. But you have to give emphasis to glorification about Krishna. Munindra what is called Namami Nandanandanam, or Krishna Deva Bhavantang Vande, and Krishna, so many glorifications. And so in this way, you have to glorify the Purushottam month. And because Krishna is very happy. And if Krishna will be happy, Srimati Radhika will be happy. So now coming in this way, this month is name is called also Purushottam Mas and Mol Mas, and so also called Adhik Mas. Adhik Mas, this means this month is also extra month. Adhik means extra. Mas means month. This is called the extra month. Because according to Hindu calendar, when you calculate the days, the one is called calculation coming from what is called solar and lunar. Surya Saura Ganana and Chandra Ganana. But here is a Surya Ganana and Chandra Ganana. Ganana means so you count the days, the difference about 11 days and extra. And according to Chandra Ganana, that thing I think 354 days coming. According to Saura Ganana, according to the solar calculation, then 365. So that means this 11, how many days? 11 days and extra. So this 11 days extra when coming every about 3 years, then this 11 days, that means and every year three days, 11 days, that means three about 3 months, 3 years, about 33 days extra. So about 1 month extra. Another also every month have presiding deities, Adhishthatri Devata. But Adhik month has no presiding deities. You see in their, but in Vaishnava calendar, they also give the presiding deities of extra month, that is called Purushottam, Lord himself. And he the presiding deity of Purushottam month. So in this way, because so many calculation of sun and how goes one and planet to one planet in this way. Those who are deeply analyze about this what is called astronomy, they also calculate these things. Bhaktivedanta Sri Saraswati Prabhupada, and in Chaitanya Bhagavat, and he also mentioned these things. And yeah, how this is Adhik Mas is going on this way. But our main aim and object today, if you observe Adhik Mas and Purushottam Mas, then we will get benefit and for bhajan and sadhan. And and according to the Smarta Brahmanas, the Adhik Mas or Mal Mas, they are not doing any past activities. Before I also told, no marriage ceremony, no established Thakurji Dev Mandira, no Griha Pravesh, nothing this way. But our in Vaishnava philosophy, saying no, this Purushottam Mas is the best month. In the month of Purushottam, you have to observe and very carefully, and you can also perform all Vaishnava activities. And as like Griha Pratishtha, you can do this because and Shuddha Vaishnava, they don't want any material desires. They perform all these things, everything for the exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna Sukh Hetu, they were as like gopis. They perform all their activities for the exclusively pleasure for Krishna. In the same way, Vaishnava philosophy is this way. Which mundane people, they don't want to perform other things, but Vaishnavas, they perform everything for exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Because Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu explain, Bhakti, two things are very important. One is called Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Prayan or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhoga Prayan. Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta. And all your exclusively endeavors for the pleasure for Krishna or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhogatya. And you can also give up everything for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. So in Purushottam month, this Purushottam month, though mundane people by smarta Brahmanas, they are also avoid, neglect, but Vaishnava philosophy, the Shuddha Vaishnava, they also give so much respect to Purushottam Vrat and Purushottam Mas. And especially in this month, you have to stay any pilgrimage place, Tirthasthal Vas, or take bath in the Ganges, Jamuna, and Kaveri, Narmada, all the holy rivers according your circumstance. You can also do this and give charity, donation to the people, help the people. And our Shastra saying this way, in this month of Purushottam month, you help the people or give the charity donation, then you will get more and more benefit also. And these things also. But mundane people, they completely opposite way. So here in our Shastra also explains in Purushottam months, that is called Punnamas. And our Shastra also explains in this if you observe the Adhik Mas and Purushottam Mas, then all your desire will be fulfilled. आप अधिक मास को ठीक से पालन करने पर भगवान आपके समस्त प्रकार की मनोकामना को पूर्ण करेंगे। And how to observe this month, Purushottam month, also our Shastra also explain. In this month of Purushottam, you have to wake up very early in the morning. That is called Brahma Muhurta. Understand? After then after your taking bath and these things, then chant Gayatri mantra. Then you will be free from all kinds of sinful activities. Free from rog se mukti milega. And you will get lot of wealth of money also. And if you want to get money, so this month you have to very proper way, very perfect proper way observe Purushottam Vrata. And dhana dhanna, lot of wealth, money, and finally you will get also mukti, liberation. But Vaishnava liberation means is what? Vishnu Angri Labhangi Mukti. And taking shelter, lotus feet of Lord Vishnu. That is called mukti. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained mukti means mukti jannatha rupang sasarupana vyavasthiti mukti. That means once who realize his transcendental constitutional form, and with the transcendental constitutional form direct serve to divine God Radha and Krishna, that is called the perfect mukti. So you have to do this nam because you are side by side compare with Smarta Brahman and Vaishnavas. And Smarta Brahmanas, they are not also saving no mundan sanskar, namkaran sanskar, and nothing. But Vaishnav philosophy, Shuddha Vaishnav, they doing everything for Vishnu pleasure. And even in our Shastra also explain, the story of Prahlad Maharaj and Hiranyaksha Hiranyakasipu Katha. And Hiranyakasipu, he got the benediction from Brahmaji, and he will not die in the day, night time, daytime, not in the sky, not in the earth, not in the air, and even not in he will be die in the any month. Understand? But finally, Lord Nrsimhadev and fought against him and also him and lay down on his lap. And that time Hiranyakasipu told, I got benediction from Brahmaji. Well, what benediction did you get? I got, I will become an Amarva, immortal. Well, what immortal would you get? Well, I will not die in the sky, on the earth, on the earth. Lord Nrsimhadev told, you are not in the sky, you are not the earth, you are on my lap. And another, well, I will not die any month. And that Lord Nrsimhadev told, listen, this is the month of Purushottam month and Adhik month, extra month. And everybody will be die and within the 12th month. And January, February, or Baishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Aswin, Kartik, Agran, Posh, Magh, Phalgun, Chaitra. According, but Lord Vishnu, Lord Nrsimhadev told, this is called Purushottam Mas or extra month, Adhik Mas. So in this way, there so many evidence. This month is very important. And those who observe this Purushottam months, they will direct attend to Lord Vishnu also. And Purushottam Dham, Bhagavad Dham में जाएंगे. इसमें कोनो संदेह नहीं. There are no doubts. If you die in the month of Purushottam, eh? And there also another also is saying this way. Sometimes this Purushottam month and also coming in month of Ashad, and that month also very super excellent auspicious. That is called the what is called Kokila Adhik Mas कहा जाता है. But everybody cannot understand these things anyhow. Just here also mentioned. And क्या बोला, यदि अधिक मास आषाढ़ महीने में पड़े तो उस महीने को कहा जाता है क्या, कोकिला अधिक मास. उसके नाम होता है. And that month is very super auspicious. Anyhow, now we are coming according to our Vaishnav Devi, and in this month you have to chant holy names and do Bhagavad Katha and stay in Tirtha Snan, Jamuna Snan, Ganga Snan. And if you have no Ganga Jal, what you will do? And take the water in your hand, then you chant this mantra. What is the mantra? Gange cha Jogune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalasmin Sandhanam Kuru. And Om Shiva Vishnu Shiva Vishnu. In this way, you can also every day take baths in all the holy rivers. समस्त नदी में स्नान करना चाहिए. And also worship Thakur ji. If you have Giriraj Govardhan Shila, Giriraj Govardhan Shila, also you properly worship to Giriraj Govardhan Shila also. So many glorification here. Another also one is called Malmas, Surya Sankranti, Malmas, or another is called Khoi Mas also. Khoi Mas, understand? Khoi means diminishing. This month diminishing. With these months you are saying Adhik Mas, extra month. And according to also explain one, then when not that month, that time also coming, it is called, what is called diminishing month, 5 months. 5 months. That is actual coming maybe how many years after? 196 days, 96 years, something this, according to their calculation. And so there are 6 months also coming. And जिस चंद्र मास में 2 सूर्य संक्रांति समय हो जाता है, वह की 6 मास कहा जाता है. According to the lunar calculation, and if the 2 Sankranti will come, understand? Then that month will call 6 months. 6 means diminishing. And that's mostly coming very rare, because there is coming not then. I think it will come 100 how many years, and 96 years, something this as written in the Shastra. So that is called, that is mostly coming Kartik or the month of Pausa. Asin, Kartik, Agran, Pous, Mag. Understand? There is January or February. और जिस चंद्र मास में सूर्य संक्रांति नहीं पड़ती उसके अधिक मास संज्ञा दिया जाता है. When that when this Chandra calculation of lunar, if there no Surya Sankranti, तो उसके कहा जाता है अधिक मास. So in our Shastra, that 2 months are coming, but 6 months is very, very rare. It is coming maybe after how many years?
96 or 100 years.
And 196 years. So this is not our subject. Maybe how many times we will give up this body and coming, going. This is no one know. So this is not our subject. Subject is that how we observe the Purushottam Mas and Adhik Mas. And in this Adhik Mas, you can read Srimad Bhagavad Katha, Bhagavad Sapta, mostly in India, Brahmanas, they also earning lot of money and in Bhagavad Katha, Bhagavad Saptaha, and our Vaishnavas, they also doing Bhagavad Saptaha, and especially in India, Mathura, Vrindavan, you can go everywhere also, and every day, everywhere, Bhagavad Saptaha, 7 days, Bhagavad Saptaha is going on. And Bhagavad Saptaha, Gita Path, and Gita Path means you read every day Srimad Bhagavad Gita, धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता जुजुत्सव मम का पांडवाश्चैव किम अकुरुत संजय. But you have to take one vow in this month of Purushottam, and you have to take some vow. First vow, you will have to wake up Brahma Murta. Second, you have to every day chant Gayatri mantras, don't delay. Before sun rises, Surya Uday ke pehle, you have to chant your Gayatri mantras. And second, you have to do stop stuti. Especially, you have stop stuti of Srimati Radhika, then Krishna. Munindra Binda Vandite Tilaka Sokarini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunja Bhuvilasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Brajendra Sonu Sangate Kada Kari Sasyamang Kripakataksha Bhajanam. Then you are read also Namami Nandanandanam 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 Namami Nandanandanam. And another also Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande Mana Manasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. And in this month of Purushottam, and if possible, you can also stay in Jagannath Puri. That is called Purushottam Dham. And dear Lord Jagannath, he also himself told, this is my Purushottam Khetra. But this year very, very difficult to stay. Because so much corona virus and government so strict, and especially and Western devotees, they also asked to give your, what is called? No, what is called? Corona certificate 19. 19 लिखा है ना? COVID-19 certificate. And if you go to the COVID certificate, if the positive will come, then big problem. It is better to stay in Navadvip Dham, Mathura Dham, where you are staying, and do bhajan and sadhana. This is the best. Understand? So where you are staying, no problem. Main thing, you have to chant holy names. because different states they also uh, has the different rules also now. All Indian states are not same rules. Haridwar, Uttarakhand, another rules, and UP another rules, Delhi another rules, different also their rules also there. But anyhow, you can stay in one place and do bhajan and sadhan, and mostly in this month of Adhik Mas, you chant every day 64 rounds. Chant holy name. This is very important. Nam Sankirtan. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he instructed all his eh, followers in the calling this Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nam Sankirtan. Give emphasis to Nam Sankirtan, and others rules you have to follow as much as your possibility. And as I, you can also every day recite Gopi Geet. जयति ते ओदिकं जनमना ब्रज श्रयत इंदिरा शास्त्र अत्र हि दयित दीक्षतां दीक्षुता बुका त्रैदिता सब त्वं विचिन्नते शरदुदसै साधु जात से सरस्वती जोदरे हे मुषादृशा सुरथनाथ ते शुल्क दासिका वरदनि तो नेह किं वद जला पायात बैल राक्षसा वर्ष मारुता वैद्युता नला. And in this way, you also try to recite these slokas and especially follow some rules also. And in this month, try to become and what is called कुछ ये होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? Follow some rules and regulations. Give the rajasic and tamasic mood, sattvic mood, and not criticize to anyone. Here also in Shastra it's explained in this month of Purushottam Vrat, never you criticize to anyone. Just absorb your chanting holy names and Gyan and Vairagya, renounce from the material sense gratification. Understand? This is also important. No intoxication, no ayuska, no take any kind of in, intoxication, and no duplicity, hypocrisy, criticize to Vaishnavas, and sometimes devotees they are criticized to each others. But in this month, especially in this month, Purushottam, don't criticize to anybody. Don't want, don't, everybody should no one to write any kinds of stupid nonsense comments and in your Facebook or others' Facebook. This is very because some stupid nonsense and they are, I think they are taking the ganja bhang and they forget and they also writing many kinds of comments. Only one comments, you chant holy names, be happy. Every day write this, chant holy names, be happy. Bas. Naam karo, anand sukh milega. What people are doing, not doing, no need to look others. No need to look others, what he is doing. You have to look your own heart. Understand these things. So this month following all rules and regulation and apart from all the sinful activities, papa karma, drinking alcohol, and even also other things also and all is called illegal sex, stupid nonsense, these things very carefully you have to say. And always sattik bhav, sattik mood, and always mind will absorb with chanting holy names. So I request all to you in this month, and in your Facebook only you write, you chant holy names, be happy. This is the best. What people are doing, what they are doing, this is no need to look others. Otherwise, parasabhava karmani. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. Those who absorb to remembering others' habits, then all their bad qualifications will manifest in their heart and they will be fall down. Eh, So, parasabha karmani. Eh, No need to look others. And you chant holy names. Those who are writing bad things, and immediately you delete from your Facebook. Eh? To be nonsense, because many are nonsense people, non-devotees, even some also so-called devotees also. They also start to writing arguments and they are chatting, the chatting, and not chanting one holy names. So I request to you in this month of Purushottam, and every day have to chant 64 rounds. Then I request you, and maybe you can also every day write and give your own what is called experience. Today, how many rounds you chanted? eh? Every night before going to sleep, and then you can write, oh, today I chanted 64 rounds, or today I chanted 70 rounds, or maybe today I am sick, I cannot chant 64 rounds, maybe I chant 50 rounds. Anyhow, every day what you are uh, chanting holy names, every day you have to record in your Facebook. Then last of the month of Purushottam, then you calculate these things. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his own biography also explained this way. And how an ordinary sadhaka to develop his bhajan sadhan, he have to record everything in his notebook. And then step by step we develop non-duplicity and hypocrisy. And this is the things also. And so again and again I humble pay my obeisances to the feet of my Guru Pad Padma and all Vaishnavas. And say from tomorrow we will observe Ekadashi, what is called Purushottam Vrat, and that Purushottam Vrat should be observed as like same Kartik Vrat. And in Kartik Vrat, we are observing Kartik Vrat. In the same way, we will be also observed. And Kartik Vrat, you may see in this month of Kartik, which things we are eating or which things are not eating. In the same way, Purushottam Vrat, you observe, and which thing will we eat, which thing will not eat, everything, and your mind will be neat and clean and absorb holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai, jai jai Sri Radhe. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopal Bolo Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Bano Ari Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Bano Ari Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Banuari. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Sri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Sri Radhe. रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय, राधा रानी की जय, महारानी की जय। मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी, मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी। निताई गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जय जय श्री राधे। थैंक यू फॉर योर काइंडनेस। जय जय श्री राधे। आनंद मोहन, can you?
I have a question from morning class. Can you please explain what is difference between Sati Gurudas and Nirgun Gurudas?
I told also this is katha. And the first there is called Guru Bruva. That is the example of Ekalabha. And then also Tamasic, Tamasic and Gurudas. That is the example of Karna. Or third, Rajasi Gurudas, that is called Bhishma Pitamaha. Actual now Karna and Bhishma Pitamaha, that Gurudas, so there is no inside any Paramartha. Paramartha, no spirituality. Just for the rules and regulation of Varna and Ashrama, they are saying. So that is, but sometimes Kurmi people, they are so much glorified about them, about Karna and about Bhishma Pitamaha. Though Bhishma Pitamaha, he is the among of the 12 Mahajan, but he is acting this role. Sometimes Bhagavad Bhakta, Bhishma Pitamaha, he is not an ordinary person, but he is acting this role. So this is the difference. Actual, there is no any Paramartha, because sometimes Kurmi people, they also giving example. Karna, how he is great, generous, or Bhishma Pitamaha, how he is great and generous. But in this way, when you see, there is no Paramartha is there. Paramartha is coming when one who completely surrenders to Guru and Krishna do bhajan and sadhana. As like Bhishma Pitamaha, when he fought against Arjuna and so much blood coming in the chest of Krishna, and that time Bhishma Pitamaha, he glorified to Krishna, and Krishna's chest is completely colored with the breast of the gopis kumkum. That is called Paramartha in India. Because our here is nothing, actually not Paramartha, because sometimes Gurudev, this is Gurudev class, Hari Katha. This is, I did not say anything. This is also just as it is at Gurudev class explained. This is the Sattik or Tamasic Gurudas. There is no any Paramartha is there. Karna, he also acting this role at his Tamasi Gurudas, because he want to fight against with Arjuna, because Arjuna is the pure devotee of Lord Bhagavad Bhakta, and is very nearest dearest of everyone, only not Krishna also, everyone love Arjuna, and Arjuna completely surrendered to Krishna. But Karna, he want to defeat to him. Because, and another thing, Karna, he associate with Duryodhana, Dushta. Duryodhana is the symbol of sinful activity, Papa Murti. For this regard, this is also rejectable. And Bhishma Pitamaha, he also acting this role. He kidnapped the Kasiraj's 3 daughters, Ambika, Ambalika, because he's showing how he is very great warrior. Because that time in Mahabharata time, that time that is the tradition. You have to show your own power, Juddha Vidya power. There is no any Paramartha things. So for this regard, all these things also we explain how to cut the philosophy of mundane people, because sometimes mundane people they are giving example, this example, Karna's example, or Bhishma Pitamaha this example. But Vaishnavas they are giving example, Bhishma Pitamaha's and that is called Suddha Bhav. This thing, because Bhishma Pitamaha is among of that 12, among the 12 Mahajan. Shambhu Narada Shambhu Kumar Kupalo Manu. Prahlad Janoko Bhishma Bolir Vayasaki Bayam. Jab Maharaj is saying this way. So some examples this way is doing this. But you have to reject this thing. Ekalabha's Guru Sisya Brubha Seva, you have to reject. Karnas, Tamasik, and Gurudas have to reject, and also Rajasik, Gurudas, Bhishma also reject. Now coming in Sattvic, with the Upamannu and Arunik Katha. And also I told the Upamannu and Arunik. And but this is also not completely Paramartha, because there is a Brahma Gyan coming. And in our Vaishnava philosophy, and we accept because here Brahma Gyan. And Upamannu and what is his name? Arunik, they received what Gyan, what knowledge? That the Brahma Gyan, Vedas Gyanas is there. And but not the Gyanas of and highest philosophy of Srimad Bhagavad, other things. But we respect, but this is the first stage. You have to surrender to Guru and serve to Guru and honestly serve to Guru. This is also example of Sattvic Gurudas and Upamannu and Aruni. Then more developed Nirgun, that is called Sudama Vipra. Sudama Vipra, how did he serve to his Guru and so much love and affection with Krishna? And I told this Katha also very briefly. Sudama Vipra also. Then coming, and this is not also enough. Then Gurudev more explain about and Govinda. Govinda, who is the disciple, who is the servant of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But he is not also perfect Gurudas. Why? Because he cannot understand highest mood of gopis. So topmost Gurudas Seva, that is called Raya Rama Swarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda. And in this way, Gurudev step by step explain who is the topmost Gurudas. Because our aim and object, how to become topmost Gurudas. As like Swarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda. And even not also enough, Gurudev also explain how will become Gurudas as like Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. Rup Raghunath Padi Rahu Maharaj Prarthana Kare Sada Narottama Das. Rupanuga Bhajan Paddhati. This is the topmost. How to serve to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and how to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Then one thing if I tell you also how to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Srimati Radhika's younger sister Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari Anugattamai Seva. This is very confidential. Everybody cannot understand. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Saptam Goswami he discovered and these things, and when Ananga Manjari will give me shelter unto the lotus feet, then we can serve to Srimati Radhika with confidence all things also. So Ananga Manjari's Anugattamaya Seva to Srimati Radhika, this is our aim and object. But different steps of Guru Seva and Bhagavat Seva, Radharani Seva also explained this way. Because Gaudiya Vaishnava always they discuss from what is called from top to bottom. What is called नीचे से लेकर के ऊपर तक, नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक, everything is from beginning bottom to top, everything discussed. But everybody they will be understand according to their own and sanskar, bhajan and their adhikar also. Adhikar means they are according to their and adhikar, this and qualification. And this qualification you will get by the causeless mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Kavi Nityananda More Kori Daya Chharaibe Moro Visayera Maya Diya Nijo Charanera Chaya Namera Hatete Divana Odhikar. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this way, Nityananda Prabhu will give me mercy, and by the causeless mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then we will be qualified to chant pure holy names, and with the Nam Seva, and with the Nam Seva we also completely absorbed in Rasamadhurya Seva, because there are no difference Nam and Rasa. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chandra Rasa Vigra Purna Suddha Nitya Mukto Avinnatvat Nama Namina Nam Seva Rasa Seva is there. So we also discuss these things, and Gurudev very nice, beautiful this lecture. And you can also read again and again how Gurudev explain from beginning to top of the bottom, everything also. Good Premanandi. Thank you for your kindness. And now as soon as I go my Hindi class, the time is very short, now almost 3:30. If you have any question, you may ask later, or you can write in my Skype or in my email as you say. But from tomorrow, everybody have to observe Purushottam Vrat. Guru Purushottam Vrat ki jai 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 Sri Radhe. Good Premanandi. Thanks, Hari Bol.